Software that I want to introduce you where you are creating an animated video, whether it's for your business or for you trying to stand out when you're looking for a job. You can use animated videos, or videos like you pick up your smartphone and you record yourself. They are the future. So paper and words, yes, they have a place, but videos catch attention. And remember, attention is what we want. So I've Googled the best alternatives to Vyond. This was the app that I started designing these animated videos a while back. It used to be called Go Animate, but it is very pricey and it costs a lot of money. They allow you to play around on the software for a month, but after a month you must pay for it. So I've looked for alternatives, because if you Google is like the best friend. Guys, Google is like the best. So I've Googled to see what is out there that's available for free, and they gave me 5 options, and I had a look at it. So do your homework and go and have a look. The one that's called Doodly, it's quite nice, and it's got the white animation whiteboard, but it's a free trial, meaning they're going to give you a specific time to play around, and then after that you need to pay. So I ended up with one that's called Animaker. Animaker is so cool because Animaker allows us to play around on Animaker and to create these animated videos for free. The only catch is it will have their logo and their brand on the video, which is fine. All you need is attention. I don't think the recruiter is worried about the logo. They're just worried to see if who's this person that's standing out from the crowd. Let's call them in for an interview, and that's what you need. So basically, when you open Animaker, it's going to ask you to register with your email, confirm on the email to say it's you, and then you're in. And you land on the dashboard. It looks like this. Guys, the key to learning software is to play around and play around. You're gonna get frustrated because it's new, but it's fun and makes you learn new things. Animaker is new to me. I started using it, I think now it's about 2 weeks, but it's so cool and I love it. And I want to create a CV, so I'm going to look on the templates. There are the templates that are available, and these are the sizes. You can RTFS and read and see the types that are there. I'm going to go with the horizontal view, and then they give me options that are available, which are templates that they've created already. So I will scroll down and pick the one that I want. Here's one that's talking to employee perks. So you can use any one of these and you change it to whatever. If you want to have a cool ad that you want to run for your business, this is a brilliant way of advertising your business. So I'm going to scroll down and select this one that says teacher's video resume. This is an American software you can see with the resume, because in South Africa we call it CV. Nonetheless, once you click on use, the system will open up and then it will allow you to start editing. And then it looks like this. Really cool. It has scenes on the side. What I do want to show you is if you scroll to the bottom of the page, let me just go back to I'll go back just now to the bottom of the page, but for now let's quickly have a look at the scenes. So the scenes are on the, what's this hand? They're on the left hand side, and you can click on them and then you can change to whatever you want to change. I cannot stress enough the power of playing around with the system and learning, because if you click on it, for example, I don't want to say I can make students smarter. I can make students, I don't know, amazing, whatever you want. I'm just basically showing you the capability of the app. If you don't like the animation character that they've given you, you can click on the character and you click on characters, and then you say to the software, I want to use that guy, for example, and then it puts the picture there. You don't want that. You want to swap this picture with that one. Then you click on the one that says swap, and it highlights the person you want to change, and you choose that guy, and then it swaps it, and you say apply, and then on this scene he's changed to the one that you've swapped with. If you want to do the exact same on the next slide, you say I want to swap with that guy, and then it swaps with that guy. If you want him to change position, you click and you say change position, and it changes position. If you want to add action, you can put in action, and you change the action to whatever action that you want. He's angry, he's crying. You just play around with it. And I'm trying to show you that you need to think outside the box. If you're trying to get a job, you need to find internet, you need to play around, you need to look. I'm just sharing 3 of the ideas that I thought of that I could share with you. So if you're happy with this whole thing, the system can show the timeline at the bottom where it has the words that are written on the slide. So it pops in at a certain time and it highlights it in pink and purple. If you don't want the words to show the whole time, you can move it around. If you want the scene to be longer, you can click on the plus sign. If you want the scene to be lesser, you can click on the plus sign. I don't want to zoom, I want the scene to be lesser. If I want him to come at a certain particular time, I can move him around by clicking on the timeline, back on the timeline, and I say I want him to be moved back or front. So you play around with it, and then you play the scene to have a look at how it looks like. Like, oh, okay, I don't like that, it's too long, and then you change it. So that's how you play around on the system, and that's how you make it your own. So to show you the end result of what I've done, I'm going to go back to dashboard. And this is what I initially wanted to show you, is when you are on the dashboard, you can scroll to the bottom of the page where all of your projects are there. I've created this one earlier on, and it's available on our website. You can go in and click, and you can view how it looks like. You can even put your own picture. I suggest you put on the first page your own picture so that the recruiter is excited to see you, and they would call you in for the interview because you've just caught their attention. Attention is the single most valuable tool when it comes to communication. So they also have videos that they've created at Animaker that you can click on, and you can play around with, and you can teach yourself how to use the software. So you can look at the videos that they've created to say, you know what, I want to learn from the people that have created, because me, I'm just jumping in, I'm sharing with you what I know already in the past 2 weeks, but there's so much more. So there's video makers, there's Animaker Voice, there's GIF makers, there's thumbnail makers, and there's character builder as well. So that's how basically it looks like. It's quite cool. Play around with it, stand out, and I'm wishing you all the best. Thank you for spending time with me.